Good morning and high five to you all. Welcome in our next video lecture. Our today's video lecture, it is based on how to create circuit diagram, how to create logical circuit diagram with the help of resulting Boolean equation. Just see today's topic. In the previous video lecture, we discussed about how to create resulting Boolean equation with the help of circuit diagrams. Circuit diagrams are there on the question paper, and by using these circuit diagrams you have to draw, you have to generate the resulting Boolean equation. It is there in our previous video lecture. Now this video lecture is based on the reversal process. What is the reversal process? Here in the question paper you may find some Boolean equation. This type of Boolean equations are there in the question paper. And the question is related with to draw the circuit diagram of these Boolean equations, just the reversal process of our previous video. Right? Now, just we are going to check the concept, we are going to understand what is the mechanism, what is the method by which we can draw the circuit diagram by using these type of Boolean equations. Right? Now just come to the point. Here just see the first Boolean equation. This is the very first one. The question is, draw the logical circuit diagram of this Boolean equation. Here it is a Boolean equation. What is there in the Boolean equation? Inside one bracket a dot b bar, bracket close, plus inside the another bracket a bar dot b. Here keep in mind, plus is used for OR gate, dot is used for AND gate, and bar or dash it is used for NOT gate. Right? So if you want to draw the circuit of this equation, very first you have to divide the equation in small parts. Right? The first question, suppose I am going to divide this equation from here. So I get the first part, it is a dot b bar. A dot b bar, or we can say a dot b dash. It is the first part and it is the second part. Now take the concentration on the first part only, a dot b bar. Which type of gate is there in this part? A and B, two input signals are there, and these two input signals are jointed with the help of dash. Dash means what? It is AND gate. So very first I am going to draw the AND gate like this one. Right? It is the AND gate, a dot b bar. Now the first signal, it is A. So I am going to create one input signal, and name of this input signal is A. What is the another input signal? It is B bar. B bar, how you can produce B bar? B with NOT. When you travel, when you transmit the input signal B in the NOT gate, it is converted into B bar. So B bar is the second input signal of this AND gate. How I can write, how I can draw? Just like this one, B with NOT, B with NOT. It is B bar. Now check this one. What is the output over here? It is AND gate. First input signal is A. So the output is A. Second input signal, it is B with NOT. So here A dot B bar, it is the output of this gate. Check this one. The first part is A dot B bar, and you draw the circuit diagram of A dot B bar here. Clear? Now take the another part of the equation. The second part of this equation, it is A bar dot B. Try to find out the gate first. Which type of gate is there in this part of the equation? A bar dot B. Dot means AND gate. So I just draw AND gate again. Right? This is the AND gate. And what is the first input of this AND gate? The first input is A bar. A bar means travel the input signal A with the help of NOT gate. It is A bar. The second input signal, it is B. So just transmit the line B directly to the gate, to the AND gate. Right? And if you want to find out the resulting equation of this gate, A bar. So here it is A bar, AND gate is there. So I put dot symbol over here. Then the second input is B. So A bar dot B. Right? we have draw the circuit diagram of this one, we have draw the circuit diagram of this one. Now, which particular gate is there in this central format? It is plus. Plus means what? Plus means OR gate. So just draw the OR gate like this one, and OR gate, the first input signal of this OR gate is this one, and the second input signal is this one. Means you just supply the output lines of these two different gates in the OR gate like this one here. This is the logical circuit diagram of the first equation. Just check it out. Circuit diagram of the first equation. And if you want to know what is the resulting equation over here, it is OR gate. The first input signal is A dot B bar. So just write it. The second input signal is A bar dot B. Again write it and use plus. Check this one. The same equation is there with this logical circuit. Clear? Now just take another example. The part B, the second question. I am going to remove this one. Now, if you see the second equation, this one, very first one, just divide this Boolean equation into small parts. When I am going to divide this equation, I am going to make a cut over here. This one. It is the first part of the equation. It is the another part of the equation, right? Just go to the very first part. Just stand over here. A dot B bar dot C. Which gate is there in this part of this equation? Dot means what? Dot means AND. So, very first draw the AND gate like this one. It is the AND gate. Now, the first input of AND gate is A. Second input is B bar. And the third input it is C. So, A, the first line is for A. Second line B bar means you have to travel the input B with NOT gate, and the third line it is C. Check this one. Here it is the first part of this equation. Now come to the second part. It is P plus Q bar plus R bar. Which gate? Plus means which gate? It is OR gate. So we have to draw OR gate over here like this one. It is the OR gate. First input is P. Just make a line directly towards the OR gate P. Second input it is Q bar. Q bar means what? Supply this input Q with this NOT gate. It is Q bar. Then the third one it is R bar. So just supply R with the NOT gate. It is R bar. Right? We have drawn the first part. We have also drawn the second part. Now the last work is we have to combine these two parts with which gate? First part, second part. These both parts are connected with plus. Plus means OR gate. So here just add this OR gate at here. Then supply the input lines and then find it out, the resulting Boolean equation. It is the logical circuit diagram of the part B. Just try to find out. Try to check that the same equation will be produced by this one or not. So here it is AND gate. A dot B bar dot C. It is the output of this AND gate. Now check out the second one. It is OR gate, and what is the output over here? It is B plus Q bar plus R bar. Right? Then OR gate, just combine these two input signals of OR gate with the help of plus. So here the output is A dot B bar dot C plus P plus Q bar plus R bar. Check this one. The same equation is there on the board. Clear? Now come to the third one. Slightly difficult from the previous two. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 brackets are there, and our very first work is divide the equation into small pieces. And when I am going to divide this equation, the first part is this one. Then it is the second part, and it is the third part of the equation, right? 3 different parts are there in this equation. Now take the very first one. X plus Y bar, which gate? X plus Y bar, which gate? OR gate, simple. So here I am going to draw the OR gate like this one. It is OR. The first input is X and the second input is Y. So X is direct, Y is with the help of NOT. It is Y bar. This one. Right? Here I am going to divide this board into two parts so you may not get confused. Take the second part, which is the second one. It is Y plus Z bar. Again, the OR gate is there. The first input is Y and the second input is Z bar. So just draw the OR gate again like this one. First input it is Y. Second input it is Z bar, means supply Z with NOT. It is also ready. It is also completed. Now the third one, P plus Q bar plus R bar plus again OR gate. So the last OR gate I am going to place it over here. First input is P, second is Q bar, third is R bar. So here the first line it is P, then NOT Q bar, then again NOT gate, it is R bar. Check out. We have created the diagram of all these three parts. Now the last work is we have to combine these three different parts with the help of the gate that is there in the equation. Which gate is one? It is dot. Dot means what? It is AND gate, means we have to combine all these three gates with the AND gate. So at the second part of your paper, just draw the AND gate, supply all these lines towards the AND gate, and here it is your result. It is the diagram of this particular equation. Right? I hope somehow the topic is there in your mind, it is shifting in your mind. Now just take the next one. We have completed A, B and C, these three. Now the next two are somehow difficult than these, right? Just check the equation here. What is the equation and try to draw the diagram. Check the equation. Now we are here at part D. Very first, break the equation into small pieces. If you are going to break this equation, four different parts that we are going to divide from this equation. It is the first part, it is the second part, then the third part, then the fourth part. Right? First part, A dot B bar dot AND gate. Just apply this AND gate over here. The first line is A, the second line is not with B. So A dot B bar. Clear? The second part, take this one. X dot Y bar dot Z bar. Again AND gate with three input signals. So again I am going to draw this AND gate. The first input signal it is X. So here it is X. Then Y bar, Z bar. So Y with NOT means Y bar. Z with NOT means Z bar. Again the second part is finished. Now come towards the third part, which is this one. P plus Q bar plus R. Plus means OR gate. Now make the OR gate over here. This is the OR gate. First input is P, then Q bar, then R. So direct line is for P. Q bar means Q with NOT. And the last one it is R. Just check it out. This one, diagram of this one. It is there. Clear? Now the next one, it is A dot B bar dot C. Dot means AND gate. So again I am going to draw the AND gate over here. The first input it is A. The second input it is B bar. B with NOT. And the third input it is C. Clear? All these four parts are there on the board. Now just divide this equation at the middle and just check out these first two parts are connected with which gate. First part A dot B bar and the second part X dot Y bar dot Z bar. These two parts are connected with OR gate. So I am going to draw OR gate over here and join these two lines with the OR gate like this one. Then come to the next part. These two different parts are connected with OR gate again. Here just check it out. Plus means OR gate. So I am going to draw OR gate at here also and connect these two lines inside the OR gate like this. Right? So this part is ready at the first one. and this part is ready separately. Now both the parts are connected with which gate? Just see, what is this one? Dot. Dot means AND gate, means you have to connect the diagram with AND gate. So here one AND gate like this, connected with this. It is the resulting diagram of D. Just check it out properly. Check it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 different parts are there in the equation. Very first, we draw each and every part on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 parts are there as a circuit diagram. Now take first two. First two parts are connected with plus. Plus means OR. So first two parts are connected with OR gate. Now take the next two parts. These two parts are again connected with OR gate. So one OR gate is also there and here, and these two parts are connected with OR gate. Now overall the equation is connected with this dot. Dot means AND. Just check this one. This is the diagram of part D. Now the last one, part E. What is there in part E? Here I removed brackets from this part. Now it is on you to separate this equation into different parts. What are the parts? Just check it out. I am going to write this equation over here. A dot B bar, it is plus, not dot. A plus B bar dot C dot D, then plus D bar dot A. So by seeing this equation, if I am going to filter this equation into different parts, A, it is the first part, B bar dot C dot D, it is the second part, and D bar dot A, it is the third part. Right? Or you can develop according to your style. Right? Now what is there? A, direct line, need not to draw any circuit for that particular A. Now I am going to draw the second part, B bar dot C dot D. B bar dot C dot D. Dot means AND gate. So very first I am going to draw AND gate. B bar means B with knot, C direct line, and D also direct line. So this diagram is there for part number 2, this one. Now part number 3, again dot means AND gate is there. So just draw the AND gate. First input is D bar, here it is D bar, and the second input is A, the another line, right? Now first, second, third, these 3 parts are connected with plus. Clear? Plus means which gate? OR gate. So I am going to draw OR gate over here and then connect all these lines with this OR gate like this one. So B bar dot C dot D, it is connected with OR gate. D bar dot A, it is also connected with OR gate. Now A is remaining. A is remaining means what? You just connect A directly with this gate. Here it is A. Try to find out the resulting equation. First input is A, so A. Second input, what is the output line? Here it is B bar dot C dot D, and the result over here it is D bar dot A. When you are going to combine it with plus OR gate, so plus B bar dot C dot D, then plus D bar dot A. The same equation, right? Hope the topic is clear in your mind. Thank you very much.